SEO, or search engine optimization, is an important aspect of promoting your Fiverr gig and making it more visible to potential buyers. Here are some tips on how to optimize your Fiverr gig for SEO. 1. Choose the right keywords. Use relevant and high-traffic keywords that potential buyers are likely to use when searching for services similar to yours. You can use tools like Google AdWords Keyword Planner to research relevant keywords. 2. Optimize your gig title. Your gig title is the first thing that potential buyers will see, so it's important to make it both descriptive and appealing. Try to include your main keyword in your gig title, and make sure it accurately reflects the services you're offering. 3. Write a compelling gig description. Your gig description should be clear, concise, and persuasive. It should explain what you're offering, why you're the best person for the job, and how you can help the buyer achieve their goals. Use your keywords naturally throughout your gig description, but don't stuff them in unnaturally. 4. Use tags effectively. Fiverr allows you to include up to 5 tags for your gig, which can help it show up in relevant search results. Use tags that accurately describe your services and that match the keywords you're targeting. By following these tips, you can help improve your Fiverr gig's SEO and attract more potential buyers.